Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating Enhancement 9. So first we see all the image loads, and we'll validate the local CSS screen. We'll validate the local HTML screen as well. And now we will inspect the size of the thumbnails. And so for this one, the size is the width is 456, and then for this one the width is 200, and they're small. And then if we examine the phone view, and then they are 100 pixel width each, and this is pretty good. And we will look at our database, and we make sure that each of the file has two versions. One is the normal size, and one is the small size. And as you can see, everything looks good. So yeah, that's my Enhancement 9. Thank you for watching.